Hey guys, how's it going? You know, if you're sitting in a job that you don't really like, or you're thinking about, let's say, quitting it and just saying the hell with it and retiring, whatever age, doesn't matter if you're 50 to hell 70. Well, I get that. And I also kind of wonder if you're not thinking, you know, this whole online thing doesn't sound bad, but I don't have a clue on where to start. Well, guys, it's kind of like if you think about it, I'm sure you have kids, maybe grandkids, and we were all kids at one time. So if you remember back to the time when they were small, right? And they wanted to walk. And that's why they call them baby steps. Just take a little bit at a time and gradually they walk. So they go from crawling to walking to running, right? You'll do the same thing with this. It's going to take a little time and you'll take baby steps to get there. But once you get going, you'll be walking, and within a month or two, you'll be running, and within 6 to 12, you'll be retired, enjoying an amazing life. Later, guys. Bye.